Hello everyone, it's Chrissy from Chrissy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to do kind of my May wrap up. So I'm going to do it all in one video. Layout share, how to kill a kit with style, and for the love of homemade kits, just because of the way circumstances are. So this will probably be my last video for a while too, until I can get set up and back on once we move. So let's start with the layouts. This is the one I created for Quilters Vibe, and I used the two pattern papers I had kind of put together thinking they'd be really cute, and I put that in with my How to Kill a Kit with Style, because I made a couple little tiny page kits, and that was one of them. So I got that one done and accomplished, and I love the way this looks. Made a couple little shaker pockets, and the theme from the quilt of my words are gone for me today, and I just love it. And there's these cute little photos of Nora and Barrett, and in the video you'll see why, if you recognize these photos, my plan for what to do with them. So basically one goes in one album and one's gonna go in another one, but I love it, I love it, I love it. And I got some of these little bits used up of my titles, which is great, and some awesome pattern paper. This one I created, this was for the 30 days of sketches, but I created it in May. So I went ahead and just kind of went with it. And then I added a few little added pieces to it as well. But I love this one. This one's all about banners and just lots of fun. And then the sketch, I followed it as closely as I could, but loved it. Used it for Spiegel Mom Scraps layout as well. And there's that cut files. Here's my very first episode for my Cut File Wednesday series. So my goal here is to showcase how I personally use cut files. And I probably use them a little bit, well, I mean, I use them the same as everyone else, but I do try to almost hide them more than showcase them. So that's kind of what this layout's about, and the series is about, and this is my first layout with it, using this really fun cut file from I got it from Christina from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club for Creative Cuts Club, and I love it. These cute little photos of Nora stealing my London Fog and how much she loves it. So there's that one. Here's one using some of my For the Love of Homemade Kits, and this one is about Jackson, and he got a Beyblade set for his birthday this year, and he was so excited. So I used a cut file using some of the pattern paper from the kit, and then this piece as well. This whole piece I used, and I'm really happy with it. And then I dug in a few little extra bits, and I used the stars from the chipboard sticker sheet I was trying to get used up. So yeah, that one's really, really good. I also used this, put this in the last minute. I tried to use up this chipboard sheet that you'll see at the end, and I got everything that I wanted to get used up on that. So there's that one. Here's my Christmas layout for the month. I participate with Moira in her Christmas in whatever month it is, so Christmas in May. Here's this one. This one is also using one of the page kits that I had created for the How to Kill a Kit with Style. Sorry, I'm getting them confused. And I got two flares used up, which makes me really happy. This really huge gold foil doily, some stitching, and a little bit of these random little word stickers that I've had forever. And this is Christmas from 2017, so it's quite a while ago, but I like it. It's gonna go side by side with another one I had created. It's a lot, so having a more simpler layout beside it, I think is gonna work really well. So I love how this turned out. It's very different, but I still am really pleased with the final results. And here's my layout. This was a Spiegel Mom Scraps layout and For the Love of Homemade Kits. And this is documenting my first layout, basically documenting the quarantine and just staying home. So the spring we stayed home, and using up some more of those stickers there, some sequins, and this little acrylic, whatever you want to call it, piece. I've had it forever, so I'm really happy to used that up. I also used that paper from Dear Lizzie that has the clouds raining rainbows, and I love that. So mixed together, I really love it. Really proud of it. I sacrificed this back side, which I was planning on cutting in half and using both sides. I sacrificed it, but I think it was worth it. So there's that one. And finally, we have my last layout for Cut File Wednesday. Oh, I also have one more thing to show you. This one I'm showcasing how I took a cut file. It was a pre-made stitching cut file, but I stitched it in the pink so that I could bring in both colors together. And definitely very subtle because it's in the background. My photos are on top. There's a bunch of stuff on top of the cut file. So it's kind of just there as a simple element. And that is how I like to use cut files. So that's what this one's all about. And I just had these two really cute photos and I had put them on this tissue paper trying to work it with one layout that it just wasn't working with. I grabbed this, which is the opposite side of this blue, which was in my For the Love of Homemade Kits. Tried to make it work and I loved the way that they went together. So I just built off of that. Of course, the white cardstock, that's kind of my thing. I just always gravitate towards it. I don't know if it's because it's a clean slate or what it is, but I do tend to do white cardstock on everything. I know I probably should have done a little bit of mixed media, but I wasn't in the mood for it this round. And then I did a border in pink as well to kind of highlight the bit of pink that I had in there. Of just Nora playing with my glasses and being super cute when she was a toddler. So that is what I got accomplished this month, plus my one more thing. Sorry, I also started my COVID-19 Traveler's Notebook. So I did the kind of opening embellishment there, and then I'll kind of tell the story of how it started for us and everything like that. And then I did this spread, and this was for Off the Board, and just kind of talking about how, yeah, this is how we are dealing with it. And what day is it? Like, I don't know what day it is half the time. So that's kind of what this is about. Use these stickers and a bunch of extra stuff. So, but yeah, so I'm really happy with the way that turned out. Used another cut file, a few sequins from Sweetglow Scraps as well, and some pattern paper from the 6x8 paper pad, all heart. Really proud of that. So that is what I got accomplished. And then for my kits, I got two of my page kits done. This one I didn't touch. The snowflake one I started. I have it, it's all right here, but I never got around to it. So I will put this in a bag and use it for, I have a cut file. So I'm gonna use this for one of my Cut File Wednesdays for June, hopefully, or it is kind of winter themed, so I could use it for Christmas in June. But hopefully I'll get this done and shared with you in June, along with that one as well. And then for the Love of Homemade Kits, I've lost my kit. I must have packed it away. I don't know where it is, but I know I used up the chipboard I had wanted to use and the stickers sheet from Paige Evans. I used what I wanted to and I got rid of the rest. So those were kind of my big things to do with that, and I accomplished those. So that made me really, really happy. So kit killed, I guess. I'm pretty proud of that. And this is what I have for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be back as soon as I can, and as soon as I have everything set up in the new house. I'll share a little tour of where my space will be, and we'll jump right back into having some fun and playing. Thanks everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.